Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you are actually watching this. It is Tuesday, March 24th, as I am recording this. So, this is going to be your intro to how we're going to do digital learning for physics. So, I'm going to try to keep everything as similar as possible. So, you have the packet for the most part. Fifth period, sorry that you didn't get the packet. The fire alarm kind of stopped that. All of that will be on Classroom. So what's going to happen is I'm going to do a daily video, and that daily video will talk about what's on Classroom, what's new, or could be topical for the information that we are looking at that day. So the first thing I want to talk about is on Google Classroom, you will find a digital physics e-learning plan. So that document will be updated every day, but what it's going to be is to try and be as similar to what we were doing before. Usually I would write it on the calendar board or on the front board and then add it to Google Classroom. So it's just all be Google Classroom now. So that doc kind of gives you a background of some things that we're going to do and kind of gives you a layout. Again, all assignments are not due until the Sunday of that week at 11:59 p.m. You can, of course, do them earlier and submit them earlier if you wish, and that will work for you. So one of the things to keep in mind with this e-learning plan is it'll be updated as we go. So if you don't get to the assignments till Saturday, it's been updated till that, and I'll try and do that in the upper corner. I have placed on Google Classroom a copy of the textbook that most of you took home. It's not the best textbook in the world, but it's the one that we have. Feel free to use the internet to research things as well. I'm also going to put copies of the materials on Google Classroom that you can print them if you need them. If you need a physical copy, I know we're under a stay home warning and order, but I have physical copies here with me if we can figure out a way to get that to you. There is a form for a daily check that will be on there if you need it. It's not really a daily check, it's not going to be required, it's kind of a check in. And if you need something specific, fill that out, or just feel like giving me some information, please go ahead and do so. It's kind of a way for us to check in with each other. I know that some of your teachers have set times, so I'm trying to work around those and be there for you. Keep in mind that after about 9 p.m. is going to be shutdown time to take the dog out and that kind of stuff. Anything after 9 p.m. will most likely be dealt with the next morning. And I plan to try and start these videos out by 8 a.m. each morning. Make sure that you are taking time for yourself, taking time with your family. Use this time as it's granted to you to be able to share it with the people closest to you, both physically, social distancing, and emotionally. All right, kiddos, miss you greatly. Have a good day.